How to make a heart. Start with a slip knot. And 12 chain. Then we work 3 single crochet into the same second chain count from the hook. 1, 2, 3. Then work 4 single crochet along the chain. Skip the next 1 stitch and 4 single crochet into the next along the chain. And the last chain left, work 3 single crochet into the same chain. Work 5 single crochet, 4 along the chain. And 1 into the loop. Then 2 chain and 5 single crochet, 1 into the loop. And 4 along the chain. Row 1 done. Crochet without joining. Start row 2, work increase, repeat 3 times here in this 1, 2, 3. Insert your hook into the first stitch. Make an increase 1, 2. You can mark this stitch at the first stitch. The next, work increase 1, 2, and next stitch 1, 2. Then work 3 single crochet along the stitch. Skip the next 2 stitches in the middle, 1, 2. Then work 3 single crochet into the next. And increase, repeat it 3 times. And 6 single crochet, 5 along the stitches. And 1 into the loop. Then 1 chain and 6 single crochet, 1 into the loop and 5 along the stitches. Then slip stitch into the first stitch. Done. Leave the long tail about 1 elbow before you cut the yarn. For sewing, I need 5 hearts total, but you can design at your own way, or whatever a shape that you want to attach it on your back. Keep the tail before start sewing. Skip the next one, insert the needle into the next. Go back to previous loop, insert from front to back. Pull the needle till it looks neat and smooth, like this. Time to sewing. Place it in position. There is the first stitch line in each row. Insert your needle through the front of stitch of the back. I use just one strand. And back up to the back loop only of the heart patch. This. Pull the needle. Then do the same. The front of stitch of the back. And skip the next one stitch, insert to the next. Of the heart back loop only. Keep repeat it. Do the same. Now at the last stitch, insert through the front of stitch of the heart. Keep the yarn tail, make the wrap loop in the front of stitch. Go back one strand and insert the needle. Done. Keep doing next. I will place 10 stitches away for each heart. That's it. Now I'm done for the sewing part. For this heart charm, I already have a video tutorial. You can check in my channel. All done. Cute. Thank you so much for watching and for all of your support. See you around. Bye.